Okay, this is similar to numbers 7 through 12 that we just did. Can you conclude the triangles are similar? We're going to use the angle similarity, or side angle side similarity, or side side side. And in this particular case, number 18, we're going to use side 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 because that's what we're given. We're given side lengths. So I'm going to find the smallest side, 24 on this one, and the smallest side over here, 18, and I'm going to write it as a proportion. 18 the small side over 24 the larger side. Okay, and equals, we'll see if it does equal, equals the middle length side, 32, over the middle length side, 24. No, actually small over big, 24 over 32. And let's see if that's equal to the big side to the big side, 38 to 48. We need to simplify these, so 18 over 24 dividing by 6 simplifies to 3/4. 24 over 32 dividing by 8 simplifies to 3/4. And 38 over 48 simplifies by dividing by 2 to 19 over 24. And that's no good because that doesn't actually get you that same similarity. So we would say not similar, and it asks us to explain. Not similar. And we're just going to say sides are not in proportion. All right, so let's do number 19 then. What do we know? Well, if we know that it is reflexively sharing this angle, angle M, for both of them, and because the lines are parallel, we know that corresponding angles here and here are congruent, then we have angle-angle similarity. So yes, we do. So we say yes, angle-angle similarity. And then we're going to write a similarity statement. And since we know that this vertex M is reflexively congruent to itself, and this L and S, they line up as congruent, so we will then say triangle, let's say the small triangle, M to S to T, is similar to triangle, what corresponds with M? M. What corresponds with S on the big triangle? L. What corresponds with T on the big triangle? N. There you go. Okay, and now here we're going to, it's tricky, you want to match up which side matches with which side, and this would be, if it worked, it would be side angle side. How do we know whether it's side angle side? We need to check the proportions. So we need to check the small side of each. 12 is the small side on that triangle, and 9 is the small side on that one. So we could say 12 over 9, big over small. And is that equal to the big side on that one over the big side on that one? 16 over 12. So let's simplify them and see what we get. This works out dividing both by 3 to be 4 over 3. And this dividing both by 4 is 4 over 3. So we would say yes. Yep. Yes. By side, angle, side, similarity. And then how do we write that statement? Well, we see what vertices correspond. See how that purple side? Well, let's start with the right angle and go up the purple side. Okay. So if you're looking at my laser pointer here, we say for the big one, start at the right angle, N, and go up the purple side, N to P to K. So we would say triangle, N to P to K. is similar to triangle, and we're going to start at the right angle like we did before and go up the purple side, G to K to D. And that is the similarity.